Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this infographics in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So first we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will set the equal size of the circle. Now we will set the align of the circle. First we will click on specified point, then align center vertically and align center horizontally. Now we will make a copy of this circle. Now we will select this circle and fill black color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll go to the effects menu and we will select the option blur, then Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius size. We will keep the radius around 120. Now we will select the second circle and we will place on the blur circle. Now I will give a white color to this circle and we will remove the outline. Now we will select both and we will set the align. First we click on selected objects, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now I'll click on round corner. Now I'll select the shape tool from the toolbar. Now we will round the corners like this. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll make a copy by drag and right click of the circle and now we will give a black color to the outline. Now we will decrease the size of the circle. Now we'll place the circle here. Now we will adjust the size. Now we will select both and we will set the align. Now we will adjust the size. Now we will drag with the arrow key like this. Now we will make a copy of this circle. Now we will select the 2-point line from the toolbar and we will draw a straight line like this. Now we will select the smart fill tool from the toolbar. Now we will fill the color in the half of the circle. Now we will take this half part of the circle. Now we will delete the circle and the line. Now we will adjust the size of this shape. Now we'll place like this. Now we will do shift page down to sand back. Now we will fill blue color in this shape. Now we'll remove the outline of the circle. Now we'll select this shape and we will fill white color and we will give a navy blue outline. Now we will increase the size of the outline of the shape. Now we will select all, right click, then group. Now we will copy the text. Now we'll select the text tool and we will paste the text. Now I'll place this text as a heading. Now we'll give a bold look and we will give a navy blue color. Now again we will copy the text for a paragraph. Now we'll select the text tool. Now we'll make a selection for a paragraph text. Now we'll paste the text. Now we'll select all the text by Ctrl A. Now we will click on horizontal alignment. Now we'll click on full justify. Now we'll change the color of the text. Now we'll place like this. I will select all and we will give a bold look to the text. Now we will select all and we will right click, then crop. Now I will make a copy by drag and right click. Now I will press Ctrl R to repeat the step. Now we'll select this one and we will ungroup. Now we'll select this and we will change the color. Now we'll select the heading text and we will change the color. Now we will select all three, then right click, then group. Now we'll select the circle. Now we'll set the align. Now we'll select this and we will drag with the arrow key. Now we'll select the 2-point line tool from the toolbar. Now we'll make a straight line like this. Now we will increase the size of the outline. Now we'll send back with the shift, page down. Now we'll select both the circles and we will group. Now we'll select this line. Now we'll double click. Now we will set the center point like this. Now we will rotate with the shift key and we will make a copy by right click like this. Now again we will make one more copy by rotate with the shift key and we will right click. Now we'll select the circle and we will sand back with the shift, page down. Now we'll select this and the lines. Now right click, then group. Now we'll select this all. Now we will drag and right click to make a copy. Now we will click on the mirror option. Mirror horizontally. Now we'll place like this. Now right click, then ungroup. Now we will select the text. Now we will flip with the mirror option, mirror horizontally. Now we will adjust the text. Now we will select the circle. Now we will drag inside with the shift key, then right click to make a copy. Again we will adjust the size. Now we will select this circle and we will right click, then ungroup all. Now we will select this. Now we will adjust the size of this blur circle. Now replace this circle like this. Now we'll set the align of the circle. Now we'll select this circle and we will change the color. Now again we will make a copy of the white circle. We will drag inside, then right click. I will select this and we will uncopy. Now we will make one more copy of the circle. We will drag inside, then right click. Now we will give a black color to the outline, so it will be visible. Now again we will make one more copy of the circle like this. Now we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle like this. Now we'll select the rectangle and the circle. Now we'll set the align. First we will click on selected objects, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we'll select the rectangle. Now we'll double click on the rectangle. Now we will click on the transform option. Now we will write in the angle 360 by 3. We want 2 more copies of the rectangle, so we will write here 2. Now I'll click on apply. Now we'll select the smart fill tool from the toolbar. Now we will fill color in this area. Now we will delete the rectangles and the circles. Now we will select this shape one by one and we will change the color. And we will remove the outline by right click. Now we will select the text tool from the toolbar and we will write the text. Now we'll change the color of the text and we will give a bold. Again we will write the text. Now we'll give a navy blue color to this text and we will give a bold. Now we will adjust the size of the text. I will select both and we will press C to align center. Now we will set the align of the text in the circle, align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will write the numbers up to 6. Now we will increase the size of the text. We will give a equal size to all the numbers. Change the color. We will give a navy blue color to the numbers. Like this we will place all the numbers one by one. Now we select all this. We will select all except the circles. Now we will group by Ctrl G. Now we will stand back with the shift page down. Now we do control page up 2 times. Now we select the shadow tool from the toolbar and we will apply like this. Now you can see the shadow. We will adjust the shadow. So guys, our infographics design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.